Hello friends, welcome to my channel Career Thread. In my previous video, we already discussed about basic of graphic design. Before starting this video, please have a look. In this video, we will cover following point. Best software for graphic design. What is meant by raster and vector? We will cover digital and print media difference. What is principle of graphic design? And what is elements of graphic design? If you not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe and like this video. Let's start with one by one. First, we will discuss which are the best software for graphic design. Following softwares are mostly used by designers: Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and CorelDRAW. We will difference between print media and digital media. From this image, you can understand print media means books, magazines, newspapers, and billboards. Few years ago, lot of information stored and shared using print media. But this information is not easy to filter out. Also, it is available only in bunch. We can note more visible information in this media. InDesign, CorelDRAW, and Illustrator are used for printing. As compared to print media, digital media is more advanced, more visible, and more filterable. Television, radio, mobile, internet are some example of digital media. You can easily search information according to your use. Also, you can publish your information in different format like audio, video, GIF, images. For digital media, mostly Photoshop is used. Now, we will see information about vector and raster images. Vector images means images which are made up of mathematical paths. You can increase the size of the image as much as you want and it would never decrease in quality. Logos and text, most common type of vector image. Most popular tool for creating and editing vector images is Adobe Illustrator. Common vector file type is AI, EPS, and PDF. Raster images, also known as bitmap images, and made up of tiny pixels. You increase the size of image, it would decrease in quality. Photograph is most common type of raster images. Most common tool for editing images is Adobe Photoshop, and common raster file type is PSD, JPG, GIF, TIF, and PNG. Now we will see principles of graphic design. Proximity is one of the principles of design. Proximity nothing but being close or near. For example, standing next to someone. Repetition is also one of the principles of design. From word repetition means simply repeating a single element many times in a design. Using some color, shapes, textures, font in design, you can make eye-catchy design. Alignment is also main part of design. Alignment is nothing but placing text and other design elements on a page at a particular position. Left alignment, right alignment, and center, these are the types of alignment. Contrast, well-known principle of design. As a principle of art, contrast refers to the arrangement of opposite elements and effects. For example, light and dark color, smooth and rough texture, large and small shape. These four are the main principles of design. Let's see elements in graphic design. There are lots of elements in design. For example, line, color, shape, texture, typography, size. These are some elements of graphics.